Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create black tears effect on Higgsfield AI. So this is how the effects look like. It looks like black tears are streaming or colorful tears are streaming from the person's eyes. So what you have to do to create this is to go to this website higgsfield.ai, and once you've gone there you can just go to the visual effects after signing in, then go and click on the black tears. You will be brought to a page similar to this, and all you have to do is to click on generate, or you can click on any of the effects you are seeing on the page. So from this page all you have to do is to upload your image here. Then if you want, you can describe your prompt here or describe what you want the image to do in the video. So and from there you can click on this generate. It takes 5 credits when you're using this particular model Higgsfield lights, which I would recommend for you. And as you can see, it renders in 720p, and the duration of a video is 3 to 5 seconds. Now if you're looking for a longer one and you're using a free version, you can go for the Minimax Helio 02 fast, which gives you 6 to 10 seconds. However, the resolution is a bit reduced as you have 512p. And but you can also use this if you 5 seconds is enough for you. This also renders in 720p, so it all depends on what you want. So after choosing the most appropriate one for your video, click on generate and wait for a few minutes. Then your video would appear here. Then click on this icon to download it to your system and use it for your work. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys, and please subscribe. We're actively trying to grow our channel.